Pwede nga ba mag-acquire ng property ang gay and lesbian couple here in the Philippines? Pag-usapan natin yan. By the way, I'm Lance, your licensed real estate broker. So, pwede nga ba mag-acquire ng property ang gay and lesbian couple here in the Philippines? The answer is yes. Under the Civil Code of the Philippines, pwedeng mag-own ng property through co-ownership ang gay and lesbian couple here in the Philippines. Himay-himayin natin to into 3 major parts para mas madali nating maintindihan kung paano siya nag-work. Number 1, when it comes to property ownership, both partners will be under the contract kapag bumili sila ng property, and they are recognized as co-owners. Yes, co-owners kasi hindi pa naman legal ang gay marriage here in the Philippines. And the gay couple is considered and recognized as business partners. So what if mawala or mategi yung partner mo? Since hindi naman legal heirs yung partner mo, you have to ensure last will and testament. And the division of the property will depend on the number or percentage of your shares or depende sa agreement nyo ng partner mo. Ibig sabihin, yung division ng property nyo is depende sa percentage of shares or sa kung magkano yung nabayad mo or naiambag mo sa property. Or, pwede pa rin 50-50 kung yun yung gusto nyong maging usapan.
Kasi nga mahal na mahal mo 50-50 kayo.
When it comes to bank loan terms, ideally, both partners should be registered kapag ka nag-bank loan na so that they are both liable sa bank pag nagbabayad na ng amortization. So just in case na hindi makabayad yung isang partner, yung bangko is hahabulin yung isang partner. Doon naman tayo sa may legal and practical advice. It is advisable for the gay and lesbian couple to have co-ownership agreement and last will and testament. Ano yun? Sa co-ownership agreement, stated doon yung rights, obligations, and other responsibilities ng both couple. Like the ownership of the each partner, payment of taxes and loans, and etc. 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 Co-ownership agreement kasi is a form of security just in case na yung mag-partner is maghiwalay. Sa last will and testament naman, indicated ko ano yung magiging desisyon sa property just in case may isang partner na mawala or mategi. Like distribution of the property, debts and liabilities, and a special instruction, etc. etc. Para mas detailed, here's the purpose of co-ownership agreement and last will and testament. Keyword of the day, co-ownership. This case is applicable for acquiring both house and lot and condominium for gay couples sa parehong Filipino and also applicable for business partners. Paano naman kapag ka gay couple, yung isa Filipino and isa AFAM? Pag-usapan natin yan sa next video. Got real estate questions? Don't forget to leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it right away. At i-follow mo na din ako para naman mas ganahan ako gumawa ng gantong video. Let's achieve that 10,000 followers para magkaroon ako ng playlist at nakasort at nakaayos yung mga videos ko about real estate. I'll be putting in the caption some important videos na naipost ko in the past baka makatulong sa'yo, so feel free to check it out. This is Lance, your licensed real estate broker, reminding you to always do smart living. See you!